Hi all, welcome back to Fun on the Go. In our previous vlog, we showed you the beautiful Ramsetu bridge and the calm Vaitarna lake, which was on the way to our resort. In case you haven't watched it, click on the link above. So this vlog is all about our stay at Jayshin Lake Vaitarna Resort, Igatpuri.
Welcome to Lake Vaitarna Jayshin Resort. So, as we head in, it's the entrance. Here you have parking for four-wheelers and two-wheelers. On the left-hand side, called the glass house. It's fully made up of glass. I wanted to show you the glass house.
It's just the difference is that it's too hot inside.
Yeah. So this is completely made up of glass as compared to the wooden structure what we have for our chalet. So as you come out of the resort, on the other side you have the villas. These are the Jayshin villas, and we have the mountain views over here. This is the reception in the restaurant. And here we have the pool on the left hand side with a small garden. So this is the chalet view. 4 rooms here, 4 rooms on this side. All of these rooms have something in common. All of these have the lake view and the pool view. So a very small pool. I'll just show the pool. Due to COVID, yes, no one is using the pool, so the condition is not that good. To move ahead, we have our rooms. So for the top floors we have the stairs. And just behind these rooms small temple. So this is our chalet. I had requested for special decorations, so they have arranged for that. And here is our bed. The wardrobe. With the kitchen timings. Yeah. Madam is sitting on the sofa. Now let's see what we have over here. This view. This is the other chalet, lake facing chalet. 4 rooms over there. And then right here ahead we have the lake. That is the Lake Vaitarna. We shall take the tour of this place shortly. We'll get fresh and then we'll go around. virtual tour from a background. This is chalets. See, the colors are changing in the background slowly, slowly, slowly. From brown to green, then to blue. Turn, turn, turn. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have over here. Okay. Just before going there, small bullock cart. There's no cow or bullock to pull it. Yeah. They have kept chairs over here where you can have your high tea. Since it is the rainy season, it's covered in moss. Could be slippery, so be careful. This is natural swing. And a trampoline. The view of this place, where you can see the entire Vaitarna lake behind, and the mountain view on the other side, covered with clouds. It's almost going to rain. Fresh air, slight drizzle. Started this way. So this is the night view of the resort. Good morning everyone. It's so good to wake up to this view from your window. The weather is clear today, still no signs of rains, and we will be leaving this place in some time. So we need to just get our things packed up, we'll have a breakfast, and then we'll head back to Mumbai. Once again showing the outside view. So this is the room that we were staying and the view that you were viewing all this time. If you come over here, try to get this upper room so that you can get the best view of the lake that side.